Good morning, everyone. I think only 3 questions you will get. No or will be there. I already you know that yesterday one instruction I gave you that in A, B, C, D, that 4 options. Out of that, whenever it is right, suppose A, you write A only, or B only, or C only, or D only, not any other thing. Okay. Some are doing like this. They are writing A and they are writing the answer of B, so that maybe A is correct or B is correct. So that time both will be wrong. So this is the rule. So follow that. Next, there is no 2 marks question. No 2 marks. Direct 3 marks question is there, and 3 marks question. 3 marks question. There are 2. So 6. Here 3. Okay, and 5 marks question will be 1, and here it will be 5. So this is also we have followed the board. If you check the board paper, the biology that MCQs are there, and direct it is 3 marks question. 3 marks question does not mean that broad thing you have to write. Maximum 3 marks questions are there, that 3 objective questions, 3 1 mark question, maximum time. Otherwise 2 plus 1 it can be, maybe 3 also, but maximum time it comes in the fragmented, 1 1 1, and here you will get the one choice, 1 or you will get out of 3 will be there, 1 2 you have to do. In 5 marks also that 1 or will be there, 1 or will be there, and you have to do that. Here also that fragmented question. So basically, if you see that the few years question paper, then the broad questions is gradually become less in number, and concept based question is more, and for pattern, the basic thing is easy, but it is based on the concept, not directly the matter. Okay, so we have to prepare in that way, and my question paper also very easy, but it is based on concept. So in this situation, no need to ready-made preparation. Ready-made preparation is not required. What is a ready-made preparation? Means suppose reproduction, male reproductive system. If anyone will make one note, big note of male reproductive system, that type of questions not will be there. Maybe something will be there from that male reproductive system, but not the in that way. Okay, now nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, reproduction, and heredity. These are the syllabus that main heading that I have written. Nutrition, respiration, this already it is a little bit, it is given in that 20 marks part. So you may expect that less things you will get from that. Then also that you have to prepare, because questions are there. I am telling you that from every part you will get the question, every part. But still I am telling you that these are the new part. You will get the more questions from that: excretion, reproduction, heredity, that part. Now in nutrition, you know that what is the basic things that you have to prepare. Suppose photosynthesis is there. What kind of enzymes are present in our mouth to digest glucose, digest the protein, digest the fat. That type of questions you will get mainly. Okay, so nutrition. Then respiration. Respiration, you know that it is a suppose if diaphragm is not there, then what problem will be there in the in respiration? Suppose this type of question. So you have to answer. It means that the function of the diaphragm is asked. Function of. Now in transportation, here it comes heart. In diagram of the heart is important. Circulation through heart is very long question, so it will be not asked. So what is important here? Important here is what is called double circulation. The why the fish is having that 2-chambered of heart. What is the rule of the 4-chambered of heart? the why I mean in higher organism that deoxygenated and oxygenated blood will not mix together. So that is important. Excretion, air production and heredity, you have to prepare very nicely these three parts. Excretion, here human excretory systems, nephron, how urine is prepared, what is the function of the each part, that you have to prepare. In reproduction, that sexual reproduction part is much more important, that you have to prepare in plant, and in animal, male reproductive system, female reproductive system. In male reproductive systems, that the diagram, with that diagram, that different part. Suppose I think the previous question paper that I gave, that what is the role of the prostate gland, this type of question is there. And here also that if ovum is not fertilized, that what is the fate of the ovum, it means that the menstrual cycle, that part very important. It's a very important part. I mean, another thing is reproductive health. Reproductive health, you have to read from top to bottom. Now heredity, in heredity, in monohybrid, I think once again I am reminding you that this type of cross, the tall and the dwarf, and here it comes that in this type of box. Okay, so these three are tall, 3:1 is dwarf. This is on that basis that question will ask. And the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So 1 is pure tall, 2 is hybrid, and 1 is dwarf. So 1:2:2. This 2 ratio, on that basis, that you always remember, class 10 heredity type of questions are based on this. Okay, diagram based questions means that it is told that draw the diagram. Draw the diagram of heart, draw the diagram of nephron, draw the diagram of nerve cell, anything. So diagram, when it is told, it means that certain marks is allotted for the diagram. So draw the diagram in such a way that this is your copy. So not very big, not very small, clear and simple sketch. Do not waste much time, and label nicely. If it is given in the question that label these, then only label this, not any other thing, because if you label, then it will be not marked. So if it is not told, then you can in your will that you can label it. Labeling, if you try to keep it in one side, if possible. I am telling again, this is not anything hard and fast rule that you have to do it. So one-sided. So this is prominent. One certain marks is there for the diagram, and certain marks will be there for the labeling. So this is the particular question for the diagram. But there are so many times that you have to draw the diagram. Suppose you are describing that formation of urine. So you are drawing like this type of diagram of so see that this diagram you have drawn. This diagram when we will draw just in rough way, and here also label, and here also mark that Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, PCT, all this part, and here you show that the when your writing and your diagram, it should be related. And this diagram you can draw in pen, pencil, sketch pen, anything. No, because it is not told to draw. It is not told to draw. But when it is told to draw, but you have to maintain all this, draw in pencil and label. Okay, all the best. Thank you.